Hello everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to check for the update problem on iPhone and iPad. So how to fix if you want to update your iPhone but face this type of error unable to check for the update. So how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open your iPhone and iPad setting, then click on Wi-Fi and make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it on, and after that go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on airplane mode, at least the 30 seconds you have turn it off, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down, then click on journal, then click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle set automatically, and after that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then VPN and device management, and from here if you connect anyone VPN, you make sure that disconnect, and after that go back, then click on transfer reset iPhone, then click on reset, then click on reset network setting, enter your passcode, then click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the next method. Open your again iPhone and iPad setting, scroll down, then click on Safari app, and from here scroll down, then click on clear history and website data, then click on clear history and website data. After that check whether the problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Open your again iPhone and iPad setting, click on Apple ID banner name, then click on media and purchase, then click on view account, enter your Apple ID, then click on country or region, then click on change country or region, select United States, click on this, terms and conditions read carefully, then click on agree, and from here you as can see payment method, put this information, street, city, state, zip code and phone number, and after that tap on next. After change your country or region, I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.